Many of us go through life engaging with our emotions primarily through thoughts. We analyze, suppress, or intellectualize our feelings rather than allowing them to be fully experienced in the body. However, emotions need to be felt in order to be processed and completed. When we allow ourselves to fully experience emotions somatically, we give the subconscious the acknowledgement it needs to feel heard. This practice is essential and, if bypassed, could manifest in the form of issues such as anxiety, depression, anger, irritability, restlessness, and OCD. An over-reliance on thoughts to process emotions can keep us stuck. Thinking about emotions does not allow them to move through us. Instead, it traps them in cycles of rumination, avoidance, or suppression. True emotional resolution comes not from analyzing, but from feeling fully and without resistance. When emotions are allowed to express themselves in the body, they complete their natural cycle, making space for new energy and clarity. Remember the words allow and neutrality during this meditation and throughout your day. I have found them useful in acting as my guiding light in terms of experiencing emotions and removing the need to think them. If you can hold your practice to these two words, with time you will process your emotions through to completion and heal yourself from nervous system dysregulation. Somatic experiencing is a practice that gently guides us back to the body's innate ability to process and integrate emotions. Rather than attempting to think our way out of emotions, we learn to feel them as sensations, allowing them to complete their natural cycles. This practice helps us release stored energy, regain balance, and cultivate a sense of presence and wholeness. This meditation is designed to help you reconnect with your body, observe sensations without judgment, and allow emotions to express and complete. Over time, with regular practice, you may find that you naturally process emotions in a more fluid and effortless way. Okay, let's meditate. Find a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed for the next few minutes. Allow your body to settle. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let it be longer than your inhale. This will signal to your nervous system that you are safe. Why? Well, if you were in danger, you would not physically be able to slow your breathing. So this is a believable, powerful, and calming cue for the nervous system. Now, gently shift your focus inward. Bring awareness to your entire body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Allow your body to guide your attention to any sensation that arises. It may be subtle or strong, pleasant or uncomfortable. Whatever presents itself, simply allow it to be there. You may have tingles and restlessness running through your body. You may have deep lethargy from tip to toe. You may have a lump in your throat. These are the types of bodily sensation that we are looking for. Select one and feel it from the perspective of true self. Your true self is confident and calm. It can feel this sensation with a capability that is wise and self-assured. Now find what emotion is attached to this bodily sensation. Try to distill it down to the core emotions of fear, anger, or sadness. Does the sensation have a shape, a color, a texture? Does it move or is it still? Continue to remain curious. Rather than analyzing, simply feel and notice. Now zoom out. Expand your awareness to your entire body. Imagine your body as a clear glass container, strong, stable, and limitless in its ability to hold emotions. This container is not the contents. It holds them, but is not affected by them, just like a snow globe. From this perspective, feel the sensation within you or within the snow globe. Feel it as the metaphor of snow touching the glass. Feel it without thinking it. You are the snow globe. You are not the snow. This sensation does not define you. You are the observer, the witness, the true self. You simply have an emotion passing through you. Now return to the original sensation or emotion you identified. Allow it to be seen, to exist fully in your awareness. With allowance and neutrality. Notice how it spreads, increases, softens, or releases through your body. Slowly, bring awareness back to your physical surroundings. Feel your feet on the ground, your hands resting on your body or in your lap. If you'd like, gently move, rock side to side, tap your fingers, wiggle your toes. This helps integrate the experience and reconnect with the present moment. When you are ready, open your eyes. You have just processed an emotion simply by feeling it and allowing it. Perhaps you processed it to completion, or maybe you need to work on it repeatedly and consistently for many more days. Remember, every time you engage in this practice, you remind yourself that emotions are safe to experience. Over time, this deepens your connection to your true self and restores the body's nervous system. Try to carry this practice into everyday life. Notice your emotions and feel them repeatedly. Whether it be a few seconds, a minute or two, or a full meditation, life is now about practicing this. Let's now take a deep breath and carry this awareness with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining this meditation from the Mind-Body Mountain. If you have any requests for future meditations, let me know in the comments. And if you did find this helpful, give the like button a little boop. Until next time, take care of your true self and your parts.